guys, welcome back to today's video. So we are doing another Dollar Tree makeup look, and today I actually wanted to do a Victoria's Secret Angel inspired makeup using all products from Dollar Tree, and I feel like I was really able to accomplish that, and I really love how this look came out. It's easy, everything is from the Dollar Tree, and I feel like it's easy to follow along with, and I also give you guys tips along the way as well as product reviews. So if you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into it. If you guys want to find out how I got this look, keep watching. The amount of products we have to test out, you guys, is crazy. I'm filming on my vlog camera, so hopefully it looks okay. A viral product that everyone has been talking about, especially me, on social media. It's the new Be Pure bronzer drops, which are supposed to be a dupe for Drunk Elephant, and let me tell you guys, these are so good. I'm going to show you how good they are. Also, I will link this top. I will show you guys. I'm wearing like a little bandeau. It is so stinking cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the drops just like directly on my face. So last time I did this, I got a big stain on my shirt, so I have to be really careful not to make a mess with these. Maybe you should put them on a brush first. Don't be like me. First, when you blend them in, your face will look kind of dirty, but you can also mix them in with your moisturizer if you want to do that. But these instantly make me feel more tan. And honestly, they smell really good. The ingredients are cocoa extract, shea butter, and vitamin E. And down your neck, so you can kind of see like how tan it instantly made my face. I feel like it gives you that like tropical glow look. And I'm so excited that they came out with these. Like, it's crazy what Dollar Tree is coming out with now, especially because the Drunk Elephant ones went viral on TikTok and like no one could buy them. They were so hard to find. And I've actually found these bronzing drops from Dollar Tree Be Pure about like 3 times now, so it hasn't been hard for me to find. Like the hand sanitizers, those were so hard to find. I just found those the other day thanks to my friend Melissa. She spotted them because we both live in a close area. So like, look how tan my face looks. I know it's like crazy, but I kind of love it because I don't tan my face. I tan my body in the summer, so my face never matches my body. So much stuff in this Dollar Tree bin, like I'm overwhelmed. It's crazy. I'm actually doing a 3-month partnership with LA Colors, which honestly is like a dream come true. I am so excited about it. Working with a brand that aligns so well with your content is just like, it's such a blessing. Like, I'm so grateful. It's so special. So yeah, I will be working with LA Colors. I already did one video with them on my TikTok and Instagram. I want to test out this palette from Beauty Intuition. It's called the Smoky Browns. It was kind of giving me like Makeup by Mario vibes. I love matte, so when I saw this, I was like, yes. Tell you guys, I've been obsessed with this LA Colors nude eyeshadow palette. I've already been recommending it on my Instagram. I always pass this by when I was at Dollar Tree because I'm like, oh, it's probably not good. No, it is so good. Just put the primer on underneath. I was able to create such nice looks using this palette, and I've been reaching for this so much. Just once already, and I thought it was so pretty, from Les Merceries. Sorry if my lighting is so bad in this video. This is why I don't like recording on this vlog camera, but my other camera, the battery is charging. But these are really pretty palettes. So I'm gonna take the matte shade in here and just put that all over the primer. Crease, I'm thinking maybe this shade in the crease. Again, sorry if it's so bright. It's like orangey shade. Beauty Intuitions. It's not like my favorite brand, but this is my first time trying their eyeshadow palette, so we shall see. Ooh, this is giving, it's giving pumpkin pie. It's giving fall. And all mattes, because I think mattes are just so easy to use, and of course I like shimmers, but sometimes I just want to do all mattes, you know, more of like warm tones. And I don't really use black in my eyeshadow look smudge. This deep brown shade from the Smoky Browns. And I'll use that to smoke out the outer V. You guys know my classic smoke out look. And then we'll also put this on the lower lash line. I guess we're going with, as the palette says, a smoky brown look. To decide what I want to put on my lid, I'm just going to add on the brow bone the cream shade because I feel like it was looking unblended. So this is the part where you can just kind of go around the edge. But honestly, these shades, I'm actually pretty impressed so far because they are not like muddy or anything. They're actually applying really well. Of course, I have to kind of see how it wears throughout the day, but so far it looks good. I think for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade, the medium tone brown one, and I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line just to like continue on with this whole smoky brown thing. So just using like a little pencil brush. Ooh, that looks nice. And if you want, you can take a little bit of that deeper brown and then just put that right on like the outer part right here. This shade from the Nude palette, it's like all the way in the corner. It's a gold shade. It's very pretty. And I'm just going to tap that right on top. Yeah, that on top of the cream. So, oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. The way it's adhering to the pencil, because it already has that color to like latch onto, more of like a shimmer on the eye. It really stands out and looks so pretty. That's why I was telling you guys I loved this palette. And just kind of like blend it in with the other colors. You can always, again, add more if you want to, but I feel like that looks really good. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the LA Colors eye marker. This is actually really good. It is a felt tip, which you guys know how I feel about felt tips. I prefer a brush tip, but it is easy to create a wing with this liner. So just draw your wing and then I just draw it in and then fill in the gaps. And you can take this in as far as you want. So I did get a new mascara and it's the Volume XX, and I think this is also from that Les Mercerie brand. And I did change my camera, so sorry if the lighting looks different, but I only have my ring light on. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and I curled my lashes already, apply this. And I actually do like this mascara. It just dries really quickly. Falsies, because I have so many. And I feel like now that I'm looking at it, this makeup is kind of giving the Victoria's Secret Angel vibes, which I actually did want to do a look on. So it worked out well because they did just have the fashion show the other day and I did see a few different clips, and they always have that like glowy, ethereal, angel type of makeup. And I've always loved that look. I mean, who doesn't love a Victoria's Secret Angel makeup look? Oh, I don't really like how that eye came out because I feel like it's, again, doesn't look perfect. But we'll put on lashes. And these, again, only found them once. The powder puffs from Dollar Tree. I love that they're like tie-dye because I only have black ones. Look how cute these are. These are so adorable. For brows, I'm going to try the LA Colors New Brow Wax. And I'm just going to use this to lift up my brows. So the brow wax reminds me a lot of the e.l.f. one they used to sell at Dollar Tree. New LA Colors Skinny Brow Pencil, which is also at Dollar Tree. This is in dark brown. This pencil is actually so good and so incredibly easy to work with. Because I have the full collection of the Glow Up blushes, which is crazy. These are the Charlotte Tilbury lookalikes. So I have the contour, 2 blush shades, one's lighter, one's a little bit darker, and I also have the Glow Up highlighter in bronze, which is really not bronze, it's like a champagne color. First one, I'll also show you guys this one. So it has like the little puff, And let's see if I can get, oh, okay. I don't want to put out too much because I feel like with these applicators, it's like you always end up taking out too much product. But, oh, okay, this is actually, this, okay. This is good. It's more ethereal than I remember. I thought it was going to be more like tan angel vibe that I was looking for. Wow. Highly recommend picking this one up. There's also one shade deeper in the highlighter. Blush, I really like both of these, but I'm gonna go with the light pink because again, I feel like it fits more with like the look that we're going for. The whole ethereal vibe. I think it's about time I threw away the packaging. It's so funny when I film now, I have to film a TikTok and Instagram and then eventually film the YouTube, so I'm always filming for some form of social media content. So again, just squeeze out the puff and then look how pretty that is. It's like a very, very light baby pink. And it is like the most beautiful baby pink. I feel like this wouldn't show up if you had a deeper skin tone, so go with the deeper shade. Look at that, you guys. Oh, it's like the most beautiful baby doll cheek. Okay guys, so next up we have the contour, and it's in fair medium. Again, there is a medium, I think it's called medium dark, but all these are a win for me. Like, they did such an amazing job on this line. Like, I honestly couldn't have asked for anything better. So be pure. Again, like, I was really blown away by how good these are. Be a little, you know, more careful with the bronzer. This, you can see it's a lot lighter. But oh, it's so pretty. I can't get over it. Can you guys see how nice it is? Like, it's such a beautiful color, and I feel like it just melts onto the skin. So nice, you guys. I'm also gonna use this to contour underneath the chin. It's just, it's the perfect like subtle color. Like, oh my gosh, I can't get over it. How nice is this? I even like it more now. You can put it underneath your lip for a little bit of extra contour. It's so nice. Again, hopefully you can see this because I feel like my lighting isn't the best right now. I can't get over how pretty it is. I was thinking I was gonna need to use this. Maybe I'll just use a little bit of this one just to have a little bit of right on the top of the cheekbone. Right there. Yes, okay, it's giving angel. We love it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the new Ioni. This is the Sugar, what is this called? Sugar Dolls Lashes, which I think they sent me this collection. I have to look in the PR box, but these are so pretty. And this is called, I hope I'm saying this right, Esmeralda. But look how cute these are. And I love that it has the clear band, which they just started doing more recently. I actually like the clear band because it doesn't feel so like heavy on my lashes, but I think I'm actually gonna wear this as a full lash. Okay guys, so the lashes are on. I did have to like go close to my mirror to see what I was doing because I feel like with lashes I can't just like boop. I feel like some people can just pop them right on. Me, no, I like need to like be close and seeing what I'm doing. But I feel like these lashes are like the perfect angel lash. I feel like I keep saying that, but since that's the look we're going for, it's very like soft, it's not too much. So I feel like we're kind of nearing the end here finally. Let's do some lips. I do have a new lipstick. Do the Nude Glam lip liner in Inspiration. It's more like a brown color. I do wish they had more lip liners. I did find 3 the other day from LA Colors, and there was like one color that was like kind of a nude that I would like, but I do think they need to step up their game with like having more makeup products. Like, let's have a full set of lip liners, like let's have a full set of like lipstick shades. Like, I feel like they could really improve in that area for like their core makeup line. Like, I feel like there is a lot of room for improvement. And you guys are probably like, well, how does she know about this? Well, I do have a background in corporate beauty, so I feel like it's kind of like I'm always like critiquing like makeup lines and things like that. So I feel like maybe the makeup team at like the headquarters could use like a little bit of help. Just my opinion. So anyways, I really like these new silky lip creams from Be Pure, and their stuff has honestly been so good lately. So I love that brand and I feel like they're doing a great job and I love working with them. This is like the perfect nude. I will show you guys. It's my like shade of pink that I love. Oh my gosh, and it's like the perfect color for this makeup look. How pretty is that? And we do have a gloss as well. So pretty. And lip gloss that I found at Dollar Tree, they came out with all these Disney lip products recently. I'm sure you guys have seen, or like, and I already have some like on the, this doesn't last long by the way, it's very like thin formula, so don't really expect it to like last you a long time. It's very slippy, but I feel like it's like the perfect color for this makeup look. And then finally I just like to take some powder and I put that right on the sides to like snatch up the nose. Alright guys, so this is the completed makeup. I feel like this is like the perfect kind of like angel glam, and everything is using Dollar Tree products minus the foundation. That was Essence, but I love how this look came out. I feel like it is so pretty, so wearable. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.